So I just read a signboard. It's better to lose 1 minute of your life than your life in 1 minute. I strongly recommend not to try this. In this video, I'm only going to show you that my Honda CB350 RS, my Stallion, does not have any wobbling issues. Give me a moment. Let me negotiate these curves first. Somgo is 26, Nathula is 35. Just a moment, I'll just find some straight roads and show it to you. Is it wobbling? Is it wobbling? No. I'll show it to you again when I find some good roads. It's an uphill, so I have to use the throttle here. And I'm on the second gear. In case you have any issues or any questions about the performance of this motorcycle, here, second gear, up to speeds of 70, no problems whatsoever. Let me show you the handle wobbling issue or no issue one more time. Here. Any wobbling? No wobbling. Now when I find a straight road or a steep road, I'll show it to you again. I don't want the tourist vehicle in front of me to think that I am, doing some stunts and riding without hands. So let him pass. Baba Mandir is 44 kilometers from here. Okay, here we go. Third gear now, yeah? See on the third gear now if it is wobbling. Is it wobbling? Is it wobbling? So if you notice, I'm riding on the second gear, okay? Not applying the third gear, even at a speed of 70 kmph for that matter. This is what I keep telling you, people. Ride this motorcycle on the appropriate gear and you will never have a problem with its power or pulling ability. See, I'm on the second gear, 60 plus, 50, 40, 60. If you are on an uphill, stay on the second gear till speeds of at least 60 kmph. I'll show it to you one more time. Did my handlebar wobble? No. So after watching this video, I don't think you should be asking me whether my Honda CB350 RS have or has any wobbling issue. Any wobbling? Any wobbling? No wobbling. That should be all, people. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.